Hello everyone, my name is Atonia Bayless and today I'll be talking to you about water in Sub-Saharan Africa. So let's start by analyzing the water resources in this region. If you look at the map over here on the right, you'll see that there's the Atlantic Ocean towards the left, the Indian Ocean towards the right on these coastal regions, and then in the inland areas there are 17 rivers and over 160 lakes. Rivers are often broken down into their river basins though, and river basins just means the all-encompassing area of water that flows into the river. So this includes creeks, smaller rivers, or runoff areas. And so there are approximately 63 river basins, and these river basins consume about 64% of Africa's land area. And so this number sounds huge. So you would think that everyone has access to clean water in some way because there's an abundance of water in this region. But according to WHO, in a recent study, they proved that 783 million people worldwide don't have access to clean water, and of that 783 million, 40% of them live in sub-Saharan Africa. So you might be wondering why this is. The main reason is due to water stress. And water stress is when the demand for water exceeds the available amount during a certain period or when water quality restricts its use. In this region, the major cause for lack of access to water is purely water quality, which can be directly correlated to the sanitation. This map here shows the population access to improved sanitation facilities in 2015 conducted by WHO and UNICEF, and you can see that Sub-Saharan Africa is lacking greatly in comparison to the rest of the world. So let's look a little deeper into how this has become possible. As we stated, sanitation issues are a major cause, with approximately 223 million people defecating in the open. When you defecate in the open, you're contaminating the natural water resources with your bowel movements. And so as population growth only grows, this issue only gets worse. For every 191 deaths, there are 100 births, and by 2050, over 1.6 billion Africans will be living in cities and urban areas and slums. So they really need access to clean water. Climate change is also an issue in these areas. And then government deals. There's a term called land grabbing, where property deals between countries and foreign companies are made, and they sell the rights towards inland water resources, which limits the amount of water the regular population can access. So what does this mean for the people? The effects of water stress are decreased economic growth. People spend approximately 2.5 days a year just trying to find a place to use the bathroom. This time could be allocated towards so many other things, especially work. And so this equates to about a loss of $500 million a year. And then furthermore, in 24 countries, 13.54 million women and 3.36 million children walk at least 30 minutes a day just to collect water for their communities. This is times kids could be spent in school, moms could be working, or just doing other things to help grow the economy and help grow their community. Additionally, as we all know, without clean sanitary water, there's an increased health risk. 70 to 80% of the region's diseases are connected to poor water quality. 115 people die every hour due to water-related diseases, and then dysentery and cholera are the leading causes of infant mortality. And in today's world, the 63% of people in urban areas who find it hard to access basic water services are the main clusters of people affected by COVID-19. So this issue affects us with today's problems as well. So I just want you guys to take some time to reflect on how water can affect a wide range of things. And did you know about these effects before watching this presentation? What steps should be taken towards mitigating this problem? And how do you think the Sub-Saharan Africa issue can be related to some of the issues we have here in America? Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you gathered some new and insightful information. Have a great day.